Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful moonlit night scenery using oil pastel colors. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new uploads. Now let's have a look at the things that we are going to use for this drawing. At first you'll need a paper. I am using this 160 GSM acid-free sketch paper. And then I will use these poster colors for drawing. Without further ado, let's get straight into our drawing. So first of all, I'm going to make a border on the paper using this masking tape. I also have made a circle with the masking tape for the moon so that I can keep the moon completely white when blending the colors. So I'm starting with the light blue color, which will be the nearest part of the moon, and from here it will get darker near the edges. Overlap the two colors to get a smooth transition. Now we will blend the colors using tissue paper. Start from the lightest part. Now we will draw a silhouette of a tree with a black color. So this is about it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.